Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and show y'all how I dye my hair. I'm going to be using the John Frieda Brilliant Brunette in shade 3N, which is the deep brown black. Here it is right here. And the shade. Okay, let's get started. So what comes in the box is the pump, step 1, which is the developer, the after conditioner, which is step 3, the actual color, which is 3N, gloves, and the directions. So first, put on your gloves. Then I'm going to get the developer, which is number 1, and the color, which is number 2, and I'm going to pour it inside the bottle. Upside down 5 times to mix.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And replace the top of the foam. And all you have to do is squeeze it on your hair. Yep.
Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I have coconut oil. I'm just going to put on the edges so I don't have a black. So, the black dye doesn't get on my skin and stain my skin. Try not to get your hair because it won't pick up the color. What I do, because I have really short hair, I would normally separate it like from the back to the front, but since it's so short, it really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. like 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out and show you the final product. So I put the conditioner in. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just so it can absorb all the conditioner. And then I'll rinse it out and dry it and show y'all the final product. So here is the final product. Super shiny. The one thing I love about John Frieda's hair dye is that it never leaves my hair like brittle or dry or anything. It's always has given me like a nice like sheen to it. I just love it. Well, there you go, guys. That's how I dye my hair.